welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have this 8V S3 in for one of our favorite packages to install on these cars, which is completely road legal and emission compliant. So what package we're installing? We're going to be installing the RacingLine intake package on this car. So replacing the factory airbox, intake hose, the intake elbow, turbo muffler delete, and getting rid of that ugly overhose that hangs over the factory intake. So completely de-restricting the intake of the car. We're releasing some more power, a lot more turbo intake sounds, and then also tidying up the engine bay as well. Exhaust system wise, this particular car has got a GPF, so we're going to be leaving the GPF intact to keep the car road legal, but improving the sound and also the rear end aesthetic of the car with the Milltek exhaust system, and then tying that all together with the RacingLine ECU and TCU software to dramatically increase the power and torque. So the Milltek exhaust system has been fitted to the 8V S3, and also we've got the RacingLine intake fitted in the front. Let's see what these sound like right now. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.